For over 30 years, Motor Services Jugostamp has been providing turnkey engine, turbocharger, and filtration solutions for the maritime and stationary power industries.
MSHS is a dedicated sales and service organization with highly skilled and factory-trained staff. Through our international routes, we provide 24/7 precision service and support to the maritime and power generation industries worldwide.
MSHS is an authorized distributor and service center for most of the world's major diesel engine, turbocharger, and propulsion system manufacturers. Operating under ISO certification, MSHS strives to meet customers' requirements and provide rapid delivery of products and solutions, all at a competitive price. Headquartered in South Florida, with full service operations in the Gulf Coast, Southeast, and the Bahamas, MSHS easily mobilizes its service teams anywhere in the world.
We add value to our customers because of our relation with the OEMs. We have a great successful turnkey product for servicing components in the field, as well as in our workshops in one of our service facilities.
MSHS's service group provides premium marine and automation services for high-speed commercial vessels and luxury yachts. For over 3 decades, MSHS service teams have completed thousands of engine and component services. MSHS workshop facilities have the latest in advanced machining, grinding, and calibrating equipment. Using digital computerized methods, skilled operators accurately and efficiently machine cylinder heads, liners, and exhaust valves during the reconditioning process. Some of the industry-leading engine manufacturers that MSHS partners with include Daihatsu Diesel, Deutz, and Hyundai Himson.
MSHS plays a decisive role for diesel engine operators. We maintain an extensive, computerized inventory which enables us to service customers swiftly when and where needed. We offer customer-tailored solutions and work closely together with the respective manufacturers to apply the latest technical standards.
In addition to providing engine parts and service, Motor Services Jugostamp also offers safety and monitoring systems, laser shaft and bore alignment, rechalking, video inspections, diagnostic services, and compressor and deck machinery. MSHS's service engineers regularly attend OEM training, making sure that they have the knowledge and the skills to complete even the toughest job. Their factory-trained service teams provide electrical services and complete vessel repowers for main engines, generators, and exhaust systems. MSHS wants to make sure your capital equipment is protected, so part of their product and service offerings include bowl filter and protection systems, GEA Westphalia separators, and Hatlapa compressors. From their offices in Florida, Louisiana, and the Bahamas, the turbocharger division is fully equipped to resolve all turbocharger repairs. Authorized by Napier, KBB, and MET, MSHS has the inventory and the factory-trained engineers to respond 24/7 worldwide. Using superior technology, the MSHS turbocharger division offers component reconditioning. Turbine blades and wheels, impellers and inducers, shaft end and journals, as well as nozzle rings are reconditioned, providing cost-effective, time-saving alternatives to the end user.
At MSHS, we operate under ISO certification from Lloyd's Register, but that's really just part of the story. We incorporate our strengths and our beliefs into our ISO 9001 quality system, so our customers will always get our very best.
The Marine and Propulsion divisions of MSHS offers complete propulsion packages for pleasure crafts and commercial vessels. Authorized by FBT and Deutz, MSHS offers the best-in-class marine diesel engines as well as innovative marine water jet propulsion systems from NJP and Allen Marine Jet. Motor Services Jugostamp is a member of the MSHS group, along with governor control systems and advanced bonded and custom services. Together, they sell, service, and deliver turnkey solutions for marine and industrial installations.
We are continually investing in our people, equipment, and infrastructure to keep pace with today's challenging environment. Our performance over the past 30 years has been proven, and our dedication to quality and safety is ongoing.